I just lost all of my money gambling and now I'm homeless. So over the next 24 hours, we are going to put my money-making skills to the test to see if it is possible to go from absolutely $0 where I am now to making enough money to stay in a luxurious hotel by the end of the night. And if by the end of this video, I don't come out with at least a $100 bag, I have to do a random punishment given by one of you guys on my Instagram story. With that being said, let's get into it. I am out here in front of my library in my local area, and we're gonna be going inside to try and rent some computers to do online surveys on. I've done a lot of surveys in my day, so trust me, I know the best website to use is FreeSkins.com. So let's head inside and hopefully they'll let us rent some computers. Are you allowed to use the computers for free?
How old are you?
18.
Oh, you are 18?
Yeah, I can show you my ID here.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
And just like that, I got started taking surveys with absolutely no money to start. Full transparency here, FreeSkins.com has been a longtime sponsor of the channel, and I'm super excited to work with them in this video since it's really the only survey taking website I have found with decent payouts. On the website, you can make money doing surveys for 80 cents each, you can make money downloading apps, and you can also make money playing games, which don't pay as much as the other two methods, but come on, getting paid to play games if you have some free time is nothing to complain about. When I was using FreeSkins.com in the library, the technique I used to make a decent wage was to go over to the AdSend media offer wall, start signing up for free trials, and then canceling them a second later so I could get the bonus points without paying money for the actual subscription. This is my personal favorite way to make money on FreeSkins.com since it only takes a few minutes to sign up for a free trial and cancel it, and the payout is typically anywhere between $1 and $4 per free trial you sign up for. After I used the little free trial hack I came up with, I started doing surveys on FreeSkins.com, and in the next hour, I made $7 using that method for a total of $25 in profit in 2 hours of work. After a very awkward 2-hour session of doing surveys and signing up for free trials on FreeSkins.com, we officially made $25 in profit since we started with 29,500 coins and finished things off with 54,900. So overall, not bad. That was definitely an awkward session, but it paid off since we made 25 bucks. Thank you so much to FreeSkins.com for sponsoring this portion of the video. Later on, we will be giving away $100 to 3 of you guys who watch to the end, so make sure you stick around. Now that we got 25 in the balance, we are going to move on to a new business venture, and that is Shopify dropshipping. I recently started a website by the name of kittysupplement.com, and in hopes we get some sales, I bought an ad from someone who has 3 cat-themed Instagram pages with 150,000 followers, great engagement on each page, and he's gonna charge me 12 bucks for an Instagram feed post shout out, a story post, and a link in bio. That brings our balance down to $13 for this challenge, and other than the 99 cents it costs to get a domain from GoDaddy, that's pretty much all of the expenses associated with Shopify dropshipping, since you can dropship your product so you don't own any physical inventory, and also Shopify gives you a 14-day free trial when you first start a website, so you don't need to pay the $29 per month subscription cost. As you guys can see, the page owner has already started posting our ads on some of his pages. This one has 64K, and he also posted it on a bunch of his other pages, which total like 150,000 followers. It's gonna take a while to see the results from this project, so for now, Danielle and I had the brilliant idea to go to Walmart, use the rest of the $13 to buy some drinks, then we're gonna go to the beach and try to sell it to people. Hopefully that works out. We just pulled up to the outside of Walmart. We have $12 to try and buy as many drinks as possible. Our goal is to get some water, Gatorade, and soda. Hopefully we can afford all of that for $12, but who knows? Let's head inside. Let's get a cart because carts are lit. Riding carts is like one of the most fun things you can do in Walmart. 6 bottles of lemonade to start things off, $2.75. We could sell these for $1, yeah. Right? Is that a bad idea?
I would go with like Coke or Pepsi.
Coke is over here. And then should we get water for the last thing? Water for $2.12. So that wraps things up. We ended up getting some water, some lemonade, some Coke. The total cost on this is probably gonna be like, what, $10? And hopefully the projected revenue, if we sell everything here for $1, will be roughly like $25, $30. So that's not bad at all. Let's check out right now and let's head to the beach after that. After checking out our goods inside of Walmart for a grand total of $9, we realized, we don't have a cooler or ice to keep the drinks cold, and I definitely don't have the money to pay for at least the cooler, so I had to resort to some illegal activity to get the job done. We're making a little pit stop on our way to the beach because we absolutely forgot to get any sort of ice and a cooler because we can't afford it anyway, so we're going into my house and we're stealing it from my parents. You know, sometimes when you're broke, you're down on life, you just gotta steal to get ahead. So we're going inside, we're robbing their asses and stealing some ice along with the cooler. We just found a cooler in my basement after doing quite a lot of searching, but unfortunately, there's not a lot of ice in my house, so we're gonna stop at the gas station to get some ice before we go to the beach, but I'm not gonna record that, so the next clip you guys are going to see is us at the beach selling a bunch of drinks, hopefully. We've officially pulled up to the beach area I've been talking about. Now, let's sell some drinks. Do you guys wanna buy any drinks for $1? Do you guys wanna buy any drinks for $1? Do you guys wanna buy any drinks for $1? Would any of you like to buy any drinks for $1? We have water, lemonade, and then I believe Coke. Is that okay? $4. Yep, thank you. Have a good day. All right, bye.
Would you like to buy any drinks for $1? Excuse me, would you like to buy any drinks for just $1?
No, thank you.
Okay then, we're not having very good luck, are we? Are you ladies thirsty? Would you like to buy any drinks from us for just $1?
Oh, I thought if it was liquor.
Oh no, maybe I shouldn't open up with the thirsty line.
Would you like to buy any drinks for $1? Would you guys like to buy any drinks for $1? Would you guys like to buy any drinks for $1? Okay, have a good day. Would you guys like to buy any drinks for $1?
I get one water, one lemonade, and one Coke.
That'll be $3. Thank you.
Thank you.
When I do this, I know it's awkward asking people if they want to like buy stuff on the side of the road, but you know, I think in life, it's not even real. It's a simulation. So you only got one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. It's opportunities once in a lifetime. I actually wrote that myself. Do you guys want to buy any drinks for $1? Coke? Yeah, here you go. Have a good day. Do you guys want any drinks for $1? Do you guys want to buy any drinks for $1? Do you guys want to buy any drinks for $1?
Are you YouTube famous?
I have like 80,000 subs or something. We have lemonade, Coke, and water. There you go.
Merry Christmas, bro.
Yeah, thank you. There you go. Thank you. It is currently 3:10 p.m. in the afternoon. We've been selling drinks on the street for about an hour and a half at this point, and well, I have some good news because we made enough money to pay for all of the drinks we bought and also make $5 profit on top of that. Was it worth walking around for an hour and a half just for $5? Honestly, no. I had a lot of fun though, and I wish we bought more soda and also lemonade to sell since most of that sold out and all we have left is water and pretty much no one wants to buy that. We've also done pretty well on the Shopify sales over the past 3 hours since we made a total of $37.98 in revenue, which equals out to about $16.98 in profit. So absolutely not bad. Hopefully we can get a couple more sales by the end of the day. We started the day off at $0. Now we're at 46 bucks. That was pretty good, Danielle. We're killing it. What we're gonna do next is move on to some DoorDash. You down?
Let's go.
What's your guess? How much are we gonna make in 3 hours?
I'm gonna guess $15 is too optimistic. Okay, 6.
What?
I think we're gonna make like 40 bucks.
Really?
40 bucks in 3 hours is our goal. Let's get it. Thank you. Food for the second Postmates order. Let's get it. DoorDash order number 2 is officially complete, so let's move on to DoorDash number 3. The reason you guys didn't see DoorDash order number 1 and only the second order I did is because for some reason, as I was trying to edit this video, I noticed all of that footage was gone. I don't really know what happened, but nonetheless, over the next several hours, I continue to do DoorDash deliveries with Danielle filming my every move. You guys can probably see from some of the B-roll footage that we did a lot of delivery for fast food restaurants, and that's because in the small area I live, that's pretty much the only place people order takeout from. I know a lot of you guys watching this video trying to make money from zero don't have a car to do DoorDash on, but for those of you who do, this can be a great way to make money on the side since you pick your own hours and you actually get paid decent for a delivery. In my area, DoorDash is a lot better than Postmates because we just delivered some ice cream to someone and we made $7 for like 20 minutes of driving. And it's not even like I live in the most ideal location for DoorDash either. I literally live in an area with like 20,000 people around me, so it's not like I live in a giant city with 1 million people, and we're making some decent money with DoorDash. So if we keep going by the end of the day, I wouldn't be surprised if I make like 30, 40, or maybe even if I get really lucky, 50 bucks profit. We just finished a 3.5 hour session of delivery driving for DoorDash. It's currently a little bit after 6 p.m. We only ended up earning about $30 driving for DoorDash today, which isn't great, but we also made another $8.99 since we got a sale on the Shopify store. With that in mind, let's head home, break down how much money I ended up earning today, then we'll go over how I plan to survive the night on that money, and finally, I'm also going to spin the Wheel of Fortune because we didn't quite hit $100 in profit for the day. We got close though. We are back at the crib. It is officially 7 p.m. and well, my friends, we ended up making $85 today. Definitely not bad, but we still didn't hit the $100 goal. So that means we got to spin the Wheel of Fortune. If you look at some of the prizes here, they range all the way from giveaway $100 to wear a dress to Walmart. Hopefully we land on giveaway $100 since I plan to give away some money to you guys anyways since we have a sponsor on this video. So with that being said, let's spin the Wheel of Fortune and whatever we get, I'm gonna do. Giveaway $100. Originally, FreeSkins.com and I were planning to give away $300 to 3 of you guys who use my link down below and earn the most money using the service. But now we're giving away $400 because I had to give away another 100 as a punishment. So guys, if you use my link down below and over the next 7 days earn the most money using the platform, you may have a chance to win some money. So go use FreeSkins.com. It would be sick to see some of you guys make a bunch of money on there and get a little bonus. I will be announcing the winners on both my YouTube and Instagram story within the next 7 days, so get going on FreeSkins.com, baby, and let me know how much you make. As for how I'm going to use my $80 to survive the night, well, on the way home, we ended up going to Walmart and I bought a pillow, a blanket, and a tent, and we're going to be spending the night in there, so it shouldn't be too rough. We're going to head out there in a couple hours, and I'll check in with you guys as soon as I'm about to go to bed. As you guys can see by my phone screen, it's roughly 9:30 p.m. at night. I'm gonna be spending the entire night outside in this tent. It honestly shouldn't be too bad. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's like 70 degrees out, so pretty good weather to go camping. I got a blanket right here to keep me warm. I got a pillow that we bought from Walmart, and of course this tent. All of this only cost me like 50 bucks, so technically we made $30 today after all expenses. I swear there's gonna be 100 excuses from different people on this video going over why they can't do the side hustles I did today to make $80. There's way more things that you can potentially do to make money than what I did in this video, and if you have any more questions, I'll have another video linked up here. And on that note, I think I'm gonna end this video off, guys. I gotta upload this tomorrow. Drop a like before you go. Peace out.